Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to add some security to your home? This camera from virtavo is such an awesome camera. You will be amazed by the great video footage that you can get and by the quality of this camera. This small and discreet camera is completely wireless, so there's no need to set up any kind of big wiring around your home. It has a 90-day battery. Once you charge it up, you add the app onto your phone, and the app will give you all of the information that you need. You can tell how much battery life there is, and you can also set it up with either a free program or paid. The motion detection on this camera is unbelievable. Just having it in the house, it quickly let me know on the phone that there was movement on the camera. The night vision and day vision of the camera is also really phenomenal. I'm really surprised at how clear it works and how visible everything is, even at night. The camera is completely waterproof, so you can put it around your home and you can connect them together. Having a camera will make you feel a lot safer in your home, and it provides just the right amount of security for you. This one from virtavo works excellent. We're definitely going to be adding a few more of these around our home, and I'm sure that you would feel very comfortable and confident with it as well. And that's my point of view.